Hello and welcome to Study Topics. This week we are going to be reviewing how you should teach your patient diaphragmatic breathing. So, diaphragmatic breathing is an excellent way to improve your patient's lung expansion. Knowing how to do this technique is critical for your practical exam, but the technique is also very examinable for your written exam. Let's review this step-by-step process to ensure you receive full marks when prescribing diaphragmatic breathing. Now, the optimal position to teach diaphragmatic breathing is sitting or high Fowlers. Now, the reason for this is that's because the diaphragm works optimally when the patient is upright. Now that you have your patient in sitting, you're going to give them a few next cues. So first, I'm going to ask you if you'll place your hands on your stomach. You then want to gain consent before doing this, but then you would place your hands on their stomach and instruct them to take a nice slow breath in through their nose. Make sure their belly is rising. And at the end, you're going to take a nice long expiration out through your nose or mouth. Now, how many seconds do we ask our patient to inhale for? The answer is 4 seconds. The goal is that we want a duration that allows the most kind of inhale, exhale, but it's going to change depending on each patient's lung capacity. So just make sure that you check in with your patient. Once the patient has been taught the exercise, we then want to get them to demonstrate the exercise, and we can give them feedback. So we'll get them to do 1 or 2 breaths, watching them, and then give some feedback. So for example, we could cue them to let their shoulders relax as they're breathing, okay? Watch for that accessory muscle use. We also want to make sure that that belly is rising with the inhale, right? And watch that they're doing a nice, long, prolonged inhale and exhale. Finally, don't forget your prescription. Diaphragmatic breathing is an exercise and requires an effective prescription. So our go-to prescription is 10 times every waking hour, focusing on 3 to 4 breaths in a row so that your patient doesn't get dizzy. Try writing down the goals we expect to achieve from diaphragmatic breathing. Knowing expected goals of treatment is great for your exam. Want to learn more step-by-step approaches or frameworks? Come over and join our practical course. We give you all the main frameworks you need to pass your exam. Feel free to email us at info@ptexamprep.ca or comment below and I'll reach out to you. Thanks for joining me.